Hi, my beauties. This is Jan, cosmetic formulator from Purèz Cosmetics. Let's talk about makeup trends that might be doing the opposite of what you want. Whether you're 25 or 65, certain looks can cheapen your appearance, harden your features, or distract from the real beauty underneath. This isn't about age, it's about elegance, balance, and knowing when less is more. Trend number one. Mega lash extensions. You know the lashes I mean, the ones that could double as ceiling fans. Over the top lash extensions can make the eyes appear heavy and tired. Instead of lifting your features, they dominate them. Instead, use a gentle casual liner at the lash roots and a natural mascara for lift and definition. It frames the eyes without stealing the show. Trend number two. Applying thick mask-like foundation and concealers. Too much foundation flattens the features, settles into lines or open pores, and hides your natural radiance. When the color is off, it shows, washing you out or making your skin look muddy. Instead, use a breathable mineral powder or a tinted balm that enhances your tone, not covers it. Match your foundation to your natural skin color across your face, neck, and chest. When it blends seamlessly, your skin looks like skin, just better. And watch out for those concealers too. Those little tubes of hope can betray you in a heartbeat. If they're too thick or too matte, they settle into fine lines faster than gossip at a hair salon. A light creamy formula or a mineral concealer is all you need. And remember, freckles are charming, not flaws. Use concealer only where needed. You're not painting a wall, you're enhancing a masterpiece. Trend number three. Too dark or overly thick eyebrows that have been microbladed. Some brows walk into a room 5 minutes before you do. Overdone microblading often results in brows that are too thick, too dark, and completely out of sync with the rest of the face. You know the look. Twin slugs that steal the spotlight and leave the rest of your features in the shadows. Instead, stick with soft feathered strokes in a flattering tone with a light mineral eyebrow powder or a taupe eyebrow pencil. And if you've already got stamped brows tattooed in, tone them down with a little powder magic. Remember, your brows should lift your face, not raise eyebrows. Trend number four, the overdrawn glossed up pout. The pouty lip trend is everywhere. Overlined lips, ultra gloss and filler meant to create that perfect mouth. But too much of it can look inflated and harsh, especially in natural light, looking more party balloon than classic beauty. Instead, gently define your lips with a pencil in your natural shade. Choose a lipstick with a creamy satin finish. Coral, peach, or nude tones bring softness and elegance. If you love gloss, just a dab in the center is all you need for a fuller look that still feels natural. Trend number five, misplaced blush. We've all seen it, a pop of blush so strong it enters the room before the rest of your face. On mature skin especially, heavy-handed blush applied high on the cheeks can look theatrical instead of flattering. Darker tones sink the face, lighter shades bring it forward. Instead, use a soft bronzer or a deeper blush just under the cheekbone for a gentle lift. Then sweep it up towards the temple and curve it down lightly under the jaw in a three shape. using a blush brush. This adds subtle structure and warmth without harsh lines. To softly contour and brighten, finish with a touch of lighter blush or highlighter directly on the cheekbone. This brings the cheeks forwards, gives glow, and lets your natural bone structure shine. Trend number 6, doing everything all at once. You've seen it. Mega lashes, airbrushed brows, full lips, strong contour. It's less glamour and more glamzilla. Instead, pick one feature to shine and let the rest be the backup singers. Balance is beautiful. And remember, even your makeup needs a bit of breathing room. Makeup should never hide you. It should feel like a soft whisper, not a loud disguise. Whether you're 25 or 75, natural elegance never goes out of style. And the best look of all? Confidence. And my beauties, stay beautiful, stay playful, and as always, stay you.